Look at the screen in front of you. That's Jais. This dude is a Buena City gang member in a Curacao. For those of you who don't know where Curacao there, it's near Bonaire in the leeward side of the Caribbean, right across from Venezuela. Trinidad is on the west side and Curacao is on the east side of the Caribbean Sea above Venezuela. This guy right here, them dash him away. And them dash him away, hold on, me have to lick a shot. Just lick a shot. So, let me tell you what's going on now. That you that's up. Him run the gang when he Buena Vista. Now, you have St. Martin and Curacao. They're side by side. Now, you have some youth, them have a whole heap of coke and thing, and he might be with some man in St. Martin's and Curacao. And what him do, him go hold on for hundreds and hundreds a key of the man them thing. You understand? Make me show you the man thing when hold on man. And them brother yeah. And them I work with the cartel and I them fling away Jais from Buena City gang. You understand? Because them lose a whole heap of thing. Them a deal with some people over St. Martin's. You understand? Beside Curacao. And next thing you know, Jais take with the man them things to the locals them over St. Martin. Them youth ya, them brother ya, them a work with the cartel. You understand? And them put a lick on him. But I tell you now, where them doing. But before that, me have to do something.
I feel good. Smoke weed every day.
So, the brother them get a youth ya, Elvis Coors, fi hunt down my youth, Jais. You understand? Then put $1 million glider, which is Curacao money. You understand? It's equivalent to $500,000 US. And at that them put upon the youth. Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. I have to take some time and big up the people. Country boss, country girl, country boy, silent, nuclear roster man, 306, 647 boss, Africa boss, all the people them in our Curacao, all the people them in our Trinidad, Guyana, the whole Caribbean, all the subscribers and non-subscribers, big up. You understand? Now, for the like what me I do, right here so, stay tuned to the end and remember, hit the subscriber button. You understand? Your notification button, the little bell. Alright, let's move on. Them a hunt Jais for months and months and months. Then put $500,000 US on him head. But then, let me tell you what them do. Them pay a policeman $50,000 And me not tell you no old wheat, you know. Me just show you. Me go introduce the next gang in our next video part 2. But yo, them pay a policeman $50,000 for tell them the policeman work at the airport, you know, and them pay him $50,000. The brother them pay the policeman $50,000 and then tell them when Jais from Buenos City gang, the leader, flying. And where the man them do, then go to the airport and wait upon him. The man ya, monster. And when them go, they wait upon Jais and then wet up him and him friend and 6 other people get caught up and get injured in it. And at that, them do to him.
I feel good. Smoke weed every day.
Look at the screen in front of you. As a matter of fact, I feel good. Yeah, feel good. But look at the screen in front of you. And this is the whole picture. But, like me say, me now go tell you now, or which other set of gang do it. But, me a go make you know the end of this and see right there so. You have the brother them up there so, on the top left, the Andrigel brother them, Iridale or Arendale brothers. Them a work for the cartel and put something on some people on over St. Martin or Saint Martin. And the brother here on the bottom, Jais Juliana, Buena Vista City gang leader, him end up take away nearly 100 sitting from the man them. And then put the lick upon him and the you there top right there so. Elvis Cowers aka Monster and him dash way at the airport when the man them come off a plane. A police call the brother here on the right and tell it. And I saw it go, the youth I get fling away. And at the end of the day, on St. Martin, at the cartel them around things. So I then send it to the Arendale brothers. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. That is very important. And if you like what I'm doing, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button and drop a comment. Check out the Patreon, the social media link down below, and give me some ideas on the stories you want to hear. Countryman, I'm out.